The BMW Group is raising the bar for driving pleasure in vehicles with an all-electric powertrain. The BMW iX3 has been given a detailed model update which will accentuate the sporting aura of the purely electric sports activity vehicle. The drive system in the new BMW iX3 delivers signature BMW performance characteristics in consummate silence. The result is a compelling form of driving pleasure, combined with zero tailpipe emissions. The all-electric sports activity vehicle is the first model to be equipped with the latest, fifth-generation BMW eDrive technology. The BMW iX3 is fitted with a drive unit that brings together the electric motor, power electronics and transmission within a single housing for the first time. This highly integrated electric drive system topology, located in the model-specific rear axle subframe, allows a substantial reduction in both the installation space required and the weight of the components relative to the power they produce. This has brought about an increase in power density of around 30% compared with the BMW eDrive technology previously featured in electrified models. The electric motor in the new BMW iX3 works according to the principle of an electrically excited synchronous motor and therefore differs significantly from other solutions on the market. The excitation of the rotor is not induced by fixed permanent magnets, but the feed-in of electric power. This design allows the rare earth metals required for magnetic components to be entirely avoided in the manufacture of the rotor. The latest version of the electric motor also displays exceptional efficiency of up to 93% as compared to values of under 40% for modern combustion engines. The drive system can rev to 17,000 RPM, generating maximum output of 210 kilowatts 286 horsepower early on, and keeping it on tap over a wide band. The motor produces extraordinarily high peak torque for a unit of its size, all 295 pounds-feet, of which can be summoned from rest thanks to judiciously managed excitation of the rotor and is likewise maintained into the upper reaches of the rev range. The motor's drive power is transferred along the shortest possible path to the single-ratio transmission, which is installed in the same housing, and from there to the rear wheels. In the process, advanced driving stability control technology, including near actuator wheel slip limitation, helps to sustain relentless forward momentum even in adverse road and weather conditions. The new BMW iX3 accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 112 miles per hour. The characteristic blend of sporty driving pleasure and exceptional efficiency is showcased even more vividly in the exterior design of the new BMW iX3. Updates include a modified design for the headlights, BMW kidney grille, side skins, front and rear aprons. Also helping to shape the dynamic aura of the new BMW iX3 are the design features of the M Sport package, now fitted as standard. This package brings a prominently three-dimensional, and therefore athletic surface design to the front apron. The lower air intake, which comes with 10-stage active air flap control to cool the drive system components and brakes, has gained in size. The air curtains positioned at the outer edges of the front end are now L-shaped and have blue accents. The air breathers in the front side panels also have an M-specific design, while the blue accent in the side skirts is omitted. Muscular and aerodynamically optimized surfacing marks out the rear apron of the new BMW iX3. The outer elements of the rear diffuser are in BMW blue. The contours of the fully LED rear lights are marked out even more precisely by a black surround. The striking night design is defined by the slim light graphic and now three-dimensional pincer-shaped contouring with delicately integrated, horizontal turn signal indicators. 19-inch aerodynamic wheels are fitted as standard on the new BMW iX3. Their design helps to give the car its low drag coefficient of 0.29. Newly designed aerodynamic wheels in 20-inch format with M-specific styling in jet black and aluminium inlays can be ordered as an option. The BMW charging portfolio presents drivers with a selection of bespoke charging products, charging services and digital services. The flexible fast charger allows electricity to be topped up at a rate of up to 11 kilowatts and can be hooked up to a domestic socket or using an adapter, a high-power industrial socket via a 20-feet charging cable. A BMW wallbox with a maximum charging rate of 11 kilowatts is available as an option for home charging. The combined charging unit enables an extremely high level of flexibility when it comes to using charging stations of different types. It therefore makes refueling the car with electric power a quick and easy process across all international car markets. When using alternating current terminals, the combined charging unit enables single-phase charging at up to 7.4 kilowatts and three-phase charging at up to 11 kilowatts. Plugging the vehicle into a direct current fast charging station allows it to take energy on board at a rate of up to 150 kilowatts. With the car plugged into a wall box, the high-voltage battery can be charged from 0 to 100% in 7.5 hours. A direct current fast charging station, meanwhile, can replenish the battery from 10 to 80% of its full capacity in 32 minutes. A 10-minute charge at one of these stations provides enough power to add 62 miles to the driving range in the WLTP cycle. The sporting nature of the BMW iX3 stands out more prominently than before on the inside too. Sport seats are now fitted as standard, while a modern control panel in the center console and restyled controls in the center of the instrument panel add to the progressive premium ambience. The BMW Live Cockpit Professional, fitted as standard, features a control display whose screen diagonal has been increased to 12.3 inches. Blue accents on the start-stop button, now located in the center console, the gear selector lever, and the BMW emblem on the steering wheel allude to the pure electric drive system at the heart of the BMW iX3. Other model-specific cues include the model lettering on the center console, door sill plates bearing the BMW i logo, elements in the instrument cluster and control display screens reflecting the presence of the electric drive system, and the standard fitted ambient lighting, which provides BMW i blue illumination in its default setting. The facelifted iX3 will go into production this September and be built in China for both domestic and export markets, where it will cost $78,878 before on-road costs.